Hi, I'm Victoria Black and I'm the co-founder of Superfastdiet, which is a revolutionary weight loss program based on intermittent fasting.
Well, Superfastdiet drives such a positive impact on the local community. We have helped tens of thousands of people lose weight and sustain that weight loss.
Our vision is to be the new Weight Watchers. And we're going to do it, right?
We are going to do it.
We're going to do it. My very first thought in the morning used to be, I'm fat. So depressing. My friend Jen and I developed an easier, balanced solution. We dropped 45 kilos whilst eating chocolate and drinking wine. Superfastdiet is an online program revolutionising the way we lose weight and keep it off. We use advanced scientific methods of intermittent fasting combined with the power of superfoods, positive psychology, and a super supportive community. In 2 years, we've helped tens of thousands of people get happier and healthier. We even helped the people of Dubbo lose an average of 4 kilos in just 8 weeks. Over 70% of adults in the developed world are overweight or obese. St.George Kick Start would help us scale in the USA, where there's nothing like our program.
You can read more about our inspiring 2020 finalists by visiting the St. George website.